Hello, friend. There is a famous saying in English literature that my way is the highway. People normally use this when they have to keep their point of view always above others, and they want people to get convinced that what they are saying is absolutely right, and that is the only right, or sometimes that you have to listen this or you have to follow this, otherwise I'm not going to do anything or I'm not going to listen anything. So I was just going through, and it strikes in my mind that I must put up a 1 minute point of view to all of you about my way is the highway. Absolutely nothing wrong having your way as highway. Even my way can be highway. Obviously, we should always keep thinking high. Our vision should be very, very strong, and we should strongly place it in front of the other people. So whenever we say my way is the highway, there is nothing wrong. But the problem comes only when we start thinking only the my way can be highway. That should be something which we should take care. Even another's way can be highways. Your way can be also highway. So everybody's way can be a highway, no problem. But whenever you feel that there is a resistance coming around when you want to say my way is the highway, the best approach is that no way is the highway. Actually, whatever's your way is there, if that becomes my way, and whatever my way is there, if that becomes your way, then trust me, actually there is no way remains highway. So the best way to end up in win-win situation is that your way is the my way and my way is the your way. Even if my way is not going to your way, I will try to engineer a kind of compromise where I will build up a way which I will call my way, going your way, or I will convince you to please follow my way. So your way becomes my way or my way becomes your way. Ultimately the tussle or the hurdle or the problem or the fight which normally erupt or normally starts happening among people in our society, in our family, when somebody's ways become highway and others are not ready to accept, can easily be solved. So nothing wrong in my way is the highway or even your way is the highway, but what if your way is the my way or even my way is the your way? So there is no highway. Thank you very much. Keep watching. We'll be back again.